What's good, everybody? It's Thomas. If you're new here, I'm a photographer from Fort Worth, Texas, and today I'm going to be showing you some behind-the-scenes footage that we got for the zine that I've been shooting. All the photos that are taken from today are going to be on the Mamiya RB67. So I hope you guys enjoy the footage, and I'll be back at the end of the video. Talk to you guys. I really like the composition of this court. The hoop is actually missing from this, so it's just the backboard and then the actual piping that brings the backboard up. So I'll see how I can get an interesting composition for this. I've turned off every light. Somewhere in between. Not at all. Alright, now this is a much better composition. As soon as these people walk across, hopefully they won't just linger. You can. This is for sure one of the longest pictures I ever had to take with a big phone. I'm playing make-believe, lost inside these dreams. But someone will love you when I'm not feeling right. My demons seem so big, I'm only just a kid. Can't you see them too? Elephants in the room. Okay, that might have been one of the best shots, but we'll see. We will see. Can you see them too? Elephants in the room.
Looks like it has hair.
Yeah. Skirt. It's a pretty cute angle there. I'm gonna grab a quick photo out of here if you would like to join me. I think I start to see a love bigger than me. So, found this building that says Fort Worth Laundry and Dry Cleaners. I've never seen it before. I really like the way it looks, so I'm gonna see if I can get a nice photo with it. There's no way they heard me, but it's okay. See them too. Elephants in my room. I hope you treat her well. I hope you treat her well. Okay. We'll keep moving. I want to take a picture of this right here.
just right after I took that picture, people walked by, which is what I was waiting for. Then I got impatient. RIP to someone's dream.
Thank you guys so much for watching the video. I look forward to showing you guys more photos from this project, as well as more behind the scenes footage as well. This is kind of the way I've been wanting to push my channel lately. Hopefully I'll get to show you not only this project, but other things as well when it comes to pushing this camera to its limits. I really want to get into night photography with it as well. So be on the lookout for a video like that. I'll also be comparing these two film stocks with each other, Kodak Portra and Fuji 400H. Actually never shot a roll of this before, so I'm excited to kind of see how it renders compared to the Portra, because pretty much everything I've shot's on Portra. But yeah, that's something that we can look forward to in another video. Thank you guys for watching so much. Please comment, like, and subscribe. Hopefully see you in the next video.